permanent. Alright. So, simulan na po natin. Our fifth placer, ito po ay sa mga lalaki. Okay, dito mo. From the primary level, our fifth placer is candidate number 1.
Papan-level dyan si...
So, si number 1. Ma'am, ako po yung picture man. Ako ay tipala lang po. For photo op lang po. Kahit po for photo op lang. Kahit po yung certificate lang muna, sir. Alright, so that's our fifth placer. So let's move on to our fourth placer. Our fourth placer from the for Dino primary level, we have candidate number 3. Congratulations! Let's move on sa ating third placer. Our third placer is candidate number 9.
Hindi na makatawa. Hindi na makatawa eh.
Our second placer is candidate number 11. And our first placer is candidate number 10. Again, number 11 is our second placer. And our first placer, our winner, is candidate number 10. Let's now move on sa ating BBB primary level. Alright, so our fifth placer, we have candidate number 20. Number 20. Hindi na mo mababa ang boys. Let's move on to our fourth placer. Our fourth placer is candidate number 21. Alright, so our third placer. Okay, so kanina po, we were actually discussing kung recycle or recyclable. Sabi ko kasi pinapasok ko pareho. Kaya po, kung mapapansin na nga kasi pulot ng iba, bakit bago yung ginamit? That's considered recyclable. Kung recycled kami na, recyclable, pwede po yung bago na pwede po i-recycle kung di ko like the factory. Alright? So, our third placer is candidate number 17. Alright, so dalawa lang po yung natira natin. At actually, nahirapan kami sa pagpili